Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, Share Knowledge. Yeah, okay. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, today I'd like to talk about the difference have got, has got, have, and has. Okay, what's the meaning? What's the meaning of have got, and what the difference between have got and have, has got, and has? Yeah, okay. So we use have got, has got, have and has when we are talking about possession, relationships, illnesses, and characteristics of people or things. So here, have got and has got, have and has have the same meaning, but we mostly use have got and has got in informal situation. Yeah, so the meaning is the same. And then what about the formula in the sentence? How to use have got in the sentence. Okay, here. It's the basic structure in English. Subject plus verb and object or complement. See there? Uh, affirm, it's affirmative sentence. You say, see there, I have an iPhone. He has a digital camera. She has a tablet. We use have and has. And next, the blue color. I have got an iPhone. He has got a digital camera. He has got a tablet. So the meaning here is the same. Uh, we can say I have an iPhone, or we can say I have got an iPhone. It's the same. I have an iPhone. I've got an iPhone. It's the same. And we can also say he has a digital camera. He has got a digital camera. Okay. What's about in negative formula? In negative form, how is the formula here? Have got or haven't got or hasn't got. Subject have got and plus object. Yeah, okay. Or complement. You see that? I haven't got an iPhone. He hasn't got a digital camera. She hasn't got a tablet. What's about have? Yeah. So we need auxiliary verb do or does to change it into negative. Yeah, you see that the example? I don't have an iPhone. He doesn't have a digital camera. She doesn't have a tablet. So we can say I haven't got an iPhone, or we can say I don't have an iPhone. He hasn't got a digital camera, or he doesn't have digital camera. She hasn't got a tablet, or she doesn't have a tablet. Yeah, okay, you see that? Have, has, yeah. Uh, so the difference, if we use have got, so in negative form, we just put not with the contraction there, have not. Yeah, just put have not after have or has. Have not got, but it's usually in contraction. I haven't got, he hasn't got, she hasn't got, like that. Okay, and then what about in interrogative sentence? Here, okay, have or has, subject, got, and object or complement. You see the example there. Have you got an iPhone? Has she got a digital camera? Has she got a tablet? And what about have and has? Yeah, we use auxiliary verb do or does in the beginning of the sentence. You see there the example. Do you have an iPhone? Does she have a digital camera? Does she have a tablet? Yeah. So you can say, have you got an iPhone? Or do you have an iPhone? You can also say, has he got a digital camera? Or does she have a digital camera? Or has he got a tablet? Does he have a tablet? Yeah, okay. So the meaning is the same. Yeah. So the meaning here is the same. We use have got, has got, have, and has when we are talking about possession, or also relationships, illnesses, and characteristics of people or things. Yeah. What you need to remember here in the negative sentence here. Yeah. So if you don't use the word got, so only have or has. So you need auxiliary verb do or does. So you can't say I haven't an iPhone. No. If like that, you say I haven't got an iPhone. If you don't use got here, say you put do or does. I don't have an iPhone. He doesn't have a digital camera like that. And also in interrogative sentence. Yeah, the difference here. Have you got? And here, do you have? Okay, like that. Okay, I think it's easy. Another example. Oh yeah, example. I haven't got a digital camera, but I have got a smartphone with good camera, so I can take photos with my smartphone. My friend Sophie has got a DSLR camera. She also has got an iPhone. She's a professional photographer. She has got lots of photo collections. Yeah. What about illnesses? Yeah. He has got a sore throat, but he hasn't got a high temperature. What about characteristics? Well, he has got straight hair and fair skin. Yeah, okay. So that's about. I think that's all about Uh, the difference between have got and have, and also has got and has, and how we use in the sentence. Okay. I think that's all for me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. See you. Bye.